Hey guys, this is Gino from Marion Computer. Today I wanted to talk to you about servers. I have a lot of small businesses that I do IT support for, and they start off with a few employees, maybe 2, 3, 5, but they get to a point where they're sharing files and they have lack of security, lack of permissions. I mean, everybody can see the files. The files are stored on all of the computers, random locations. They have to do backups with each machine. It just ends up being this big mess. One of the hard drive dies in one of the computers, and now you lose all that data, and it's just a big catastrophe. But when they start to get larger, they get to about maybe 5, 10, 20 computers or whatever. They're going to need a server. Right, so I figured I'd do this video for you guys so that way I can give you some information on a server. The one on the right here is a custom build. It's built with it's basically like building a car, right? You would go ahead and I would go ahead and pick all of the individual pieces, exactly what I want with no limitation, as far as what I can get. And I'd build you that, so it'd be like a souped up kind of like Ferrari custom built, say for instance. The other one here on the left is a T320, which is a really good machine. It's made by Dell, and you do get to customize some of the stuff, but you don't have as much customization options. There's quite a few options, but there's not as many options as obviously building it yourself. Because if I was building it myself, then, like I said, I could go to different sites and different vendors and basically pick exactly what parts I would want. So these servers go between installed between $5,000 to $10,000 per organization, and it changes your computing experience dramatically. So now you'll have a central location to store all of your files, so you don't have to store any of the files on the individual computers, and you'll be able to access those files wherever you want. Where, say you're in a different country or you're at home or so on and so forth, and everybody will have access to those those files, regardless of where they're at. Also, the security is there because now we can beef up the security around this server, so that way nobody can get into these servers unless they're part of your organization. They have a username and password. We can set it up to change passwords every 90 days. We could set these boxes to back up every night to what's called a NAS box. We can have that NAS box back up to the cloud every night. So now you have your data, not only data security, but you also have your data redundancy. That will be your backup and disaster recovery plan. That's your business continuity to make sure if things go down, you could basically stay up. There's many pros to this. You could also use this as a server to serve applications, like specific programs that you want to use throughout the organization. You can put the programs on here and then just have people access the programs from their workstations, so that way you'd still have that central location to store your files. So this is the T320 on the left. We sell this to a lot of companies, and it ends up being a really good deal. We've installed this in companies with as few as 5 computers and as big as 20 computers per server. You have to get multiple servers when you have more than 20 computers for performance. And then this other one right here, we call this the Marion Computer Server 2015 edition, and we install this in several locations as well. And people are very happy with that. If you have any questions, give me a call. It's 508-748-0005. If you've been using your server for more than 5 years, then it's about time for you to get a new server. You don't want to wait till that crashes, because proper preparation prevents poor performance. Then again, it's Gino, Marion Computer, 508-748-0005. Thank you.